Today, I am reviewing the UGREEN Nexode 100W GaN USB-C charger. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been using the UGREEN Nexode 100W GaN 4-port charger for about 3 months now, and it has genuinely transformed how I manage power for my tech stack, both at my desk and while traveling. Finding a single power adapter that can actually live up to its marketing promises while managing multiple power-hungry devices is surprisingly difficult, but this little block handles it beautifully. The first thing that strikes you about the Nexode 100W is its physical build and size. If you are used to the massive, heavy brick that Apple includes with the MacBook Pro, or those standard clunky black plastic laptop chargers, this thing feels like a revelation. Thanks to the gallium nitride tech inside, UGREEN managed to shrink a massive amount of power into something that literally fits right in the palm of your hand. It has a reassuring heft to it, which speaks to the high build quality, but it is not heavy enough to pull itself out of a loose wall outlet, which is a massive annoyance with cheaper third-party chargers. The foldable prongs are another huge win for portability. They snap into place with a very satisfying, firm click and stay tucked away when the charger is thrown into a backpack or a tech pouch, preventing the metal tines from scratching up your laptop or tablet screen during transit. In terms of raw performance, the single-port 100-watt maximum delivery is the real deal. When I plug my MacBook Air into one of the top USB-C ports with a proper 5-amp rated cable, it blasts from 0 to over 50% in just under half an hour. It is incredibly efficient. However, the real magic and the real test of a multi-port charger like this is how it handles power distribution when you start plugging in multiple things at once. With 3 USB-C ports and 1 traditional USB-A port, you can theoretically charge for devices simultaneously. When you populate all the ports, the internal Smart Pulse width modulation chip takes over to dynamically distribute that 100 watts of total overhead. For instance, if you plug a laptop into the first port and a phone into the second, the charger intelligently drops the laptop down to around 65 watts and gives the phone 30 or 45 watts, depending on its max intake. This means you can easily fast charge a MacBook and a newer flagship phone like an iPhone 17 or a Galaxy S25 at the exact same time, without the charger breaking a sweat. If you go all out and fill all 4 ports, say with a laptop, an iPad, a phone, and a pair of wireless earbuds, the power splits even further. While it won't charge your laptop at lightning-fast speeds under a full 4-device load, it still provides more than enough consistent juice to keep everything charging steadily throughout the day or overnight. There are a couple of very important caveats to keep in mind, which is why this is a real review and not just a hype piece. First, to actually achieve that peak 100-watt speed on a single device, you absolutely must use a high-quality, 5-amp rated eMarker charging cable. If you use a cheap, standard USB-C cable that came with an older accessory, the charger will automatically throttle down to protect the wire, and you might wonder why your laptop is charging slowly. Second, you need to be aware of device compatibility protocols. While this works flawlessly at maximum speeds for Apple devices, Samsung flagships, Google Pixels, and portable gaming setups like the Steam Deck, certain laptop brands like Dell and Lenovo use proprietary charging limitations. Ultimately, the UGREEN Nexode 100W GaN charger is an absolute home run for anyone looking to declutter their workspace or lighten their travel bag. It replaces up to 4 separate wall warts with one elegant, compact, and incredibly safe hub. It gives you the blistering speed you need for modern laptops and phones, packaged in a durable design built for life on the go. It is easily one of the best tech accessories I have purchased in recent memory, and I highly recommend it.